So we have a question here. Theta equals to t power n into e power minus of r square upon 4t. We have to get the value of n here. We have to find n for d theta by dt equals to 1 upon r squared d by dr into r squared dabba theta by dabba r. So what we did, we found d theta by dt first. So if I differentiate with respect to t, then I have to apply UV rule, that is first into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. Derivative of t raised to n is going to be n into t raised to n minus 1. And second term as it is, plus first term as it is, derivative of e power something. So derivative of e power something is e power something only. And again derivative of whatever there in the power. So derivative of r square upon 4t. So minus r square upon 4 is constant out. Derivative of 1 upon t is minus 1 upon t square. So that gives us these two terms. Now, first term I have multiplied and divided by t. So n upon t I got t raised to n minus 1 into t will be t raised to n. Then e power as it is. And here, if we see this part, t power n into e power r square upon 4t is theta, the starting equation. So I substituted that as theta. And minus into minus plus, so r square upon 4t square we got. And theta you can take common. So d theta by dt, we got equation number 1. Now, if in question, if you see, second part is dabba by dabba r. So now we have to differentiate theta by with respect to r. So dabba theta by dabba r, t raised to n constant out. E raised to anything derivative is that only. And again, whatever there in power, we have to differentiate that. So 1 upon 4t is constant out. Derivative of r square is 2r. So again, this value t raised to n into e power r square upon 4t is theta. And 2 and 4 got cancelled. Minus into minus. Minus into plus will minus. That's why this term remains as minus sign. We got d theta by dr as minus r theta upon 2t. So I have marked this as equation 2 in blue color. Again, if you multiply both the side by r square. Now you may ask why you are doing that. In question there is r square dabba theta by dabba r. So that's why I am multiplying both sides by r square. So I got equation 2 in green color.
Oh.
Now again I will differentiate with respect to r. So dabba by dabba r of 1 upon r square d theta by dr. So after this step. So dabba by dabba r square d theta by dr, we differentiate r square theta upon 2t. So 1 upon 2t is constant, so we wrote out minus 1 upon 2t. R cube theta we differentiate first into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. So derivative of r cube is 3r square. And d theta by dr, from equation 2 we can put that value from 2. Value we have substituted from 2. So that gives us this equation. That is minus 1 upon 2t minus r raised to 4 theta upon 2t plus 3r square theta. Minus sign you can take inside. R square you can take common. Theta you can take common. So minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. And that gives us the equation 3. And from 1 and 3, 1 we got d theta by dt. 3 we got 1 upon r square double by double r bracket r square d theta by dr. That is what they are given. We have to find n for this. So we can equate their left and right hand side. So by equating right hand side, we got n by t equal to minus 3 by 2t. Therefore, n is minus 3 by 2.
Sure.
Any doubt? You may ask a doubt here that how you got n upon t equal to minus 3 by 2t. See, so if you write equation 1 as n by t plus r square upon 4t into theta equal to equation 3 theta into r square upon 4t minus 3 upon 2t. So r square upon 4t, r square upon 4t on both the side will get cancelled. So we are left with
Yes, sir.
minus 3 by 2t on right hand side, n by t on the left hand side. So tt got cancelled and then n is minus 3 by 2. I hope you have understood this.